something about his manners. Oh, then I felt like I lost my way. Time's running out.
Was rolling out one evening as I came down to Port Road. I walked into a dimly pub and suddenly I saw the sheets, they were so rosy and golden was her hair. She had to be an Irish girl cause she looked so goddamn fair. She took me by her lovely hand and whispered in my ear, I'll guide you up to heaven if you order me a beer. Seconds later I found myself a sight was pretty less. Wanting thoughts in my all I ever wanted was to receive.
Thank you for choosing CVS Pharmacy. If you're dropping off a new prescription, please make sure the name, address, date of birth, and cell phone number are clearly written on the prescription. A pharmacy... Hello, it's a pickup and dropping off.
Picking up
Can I please have the patient's date of birth?
September 28th, 1983.
Last name?
Barth, B-A-R-T-H.
I do have one ready for you. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
And also $1.32 and requires ID. You can go ahead and take the payment, please.
All right.